Consider the reaction Fe3 plus aqueous solution plus SCN minus aqueous solution equals FeSCN2 plus aqueous solution. A solution is made containing initial Fe3 plus equals 1 times 10 to the negative 3 m, and initial SCN minus equals 8 times 10 to the negative 4 m. At equilibrium, FeSCN2 plus equals 1.7 times 10 to the negative 4 m. Calculate the value of the equilibrium constant. Here's a hint. Use the chemical reaction stoichiometry to calculate the equilibrium concentrations of Fe3 plus and SCN minus. We're considering a reaction where iron 3 ions react with thiocyanate ions to form an iron thiocyanate ion. We have a solution with initial concentrations of iron 3 ions and thiocyanate ions. At equilibrium, the concentration of iron thiocyanate ion is known.